To Sunita Williams' return home. NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore have successfully undocked from the International Space Station. This marks the end of their extended 9-month journey in outer space. Sunita Williams will be touching down on Wednesday at 3:27 a.m. Indian Standard Time. She is returning aboard the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft with Butch Wilmore and 2 other Crew 9 members. The 4 astronauts will splash down off the coast of Florida after a 17-hour journey and after re-entering Earth's atmosphere. The astronauts adapted to their extended stay by engaging in over 150 scientific experiments, contributing significantly to ongoing research while in space.
NASA is all set to welcome Sunita Williams back on Earth, and here in Gujarat's Mehsana, these children are praying in her own village. Sunita Williams, who belongs to Mehsana in Gujarat, has a special connect still with the people of this village. And here in this school, these children are praying for her safe return on Earth. This is Julsana village in Mehsana, where you can see this school, which is inspiring these children to become like Sunita Williams and make India proud in the world. You can see the pictures of Sunita Williams that have been put up in this particular school in Julsana village of Mehsana in Gujarat. And this school is not only praying for her safe return on Earth, but is also preparing to celebrate once she lands safely on Earth. Not only this, the people in Mehsana have met Sunita Williams in 2007 and 2013 when she visited this place. They say that she should come to this school, she should meet these children, she should share her experiences with these children so that they can also become like her. This is Shivani Sharma with Vijay Kishan Kumar for India Today from Julsana in Mehsana, Gujarat. As the countdown begins for Sunita Williams' safe return to Earth, her village in Mehsana is praying for her. We are right now at the ancient temple of Dolama, where a special prayer has been continuing since last 9 months when she was not able to return. And through that struggle, people of this village have been praying for Sunita Williams. And here you see special part ceremony is going on. And this temple is the Kul temple, or the ancestral temple of the family of Sunita Williams too. And when she came to India, she visited these temples also. Today also this puja continues. This special ceremony for Sunita Williams has been continuing since last 9.5 months, since the time she was to return earlier in June 2024. Since then, they have been praying for Sunita Williams' safety. Dolama's picture was taken along by Sunita Williams when she had gone to space earlier. And these villagers are confident and they have full faith on Ma that Sunita Williams will be returning home safe and sound. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Kishan Kumar for India Today from Mehsana's Julsana. आपको कितना इंतजार है सुनीता जी के वापसी का?
सुनीता जी का इतना इंतजार है, गांव में सब ऐसा माहौल रखा है, पूरा मंदिर में संध्या चल रही है, भजन चल रहा है और पूरा गांव आतुर हो चुका है कि सुनीता विलियम्स जल्दी से धरती पर आ जाए। और बाद में ऐसा है कि पूरा गांव इकट्ठा हुआ है।
आपको भी चिंता हो रही थी? पिछले 9 महीने से आप लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
चिंता बहुत हो रही थी सबको। हमारे गांव का नाम उसने बहुत ज्यादा पूरा विदेश, देश विदेश, पूरे विश्व में फेमस किया है। इसलिए हम सब गांव वाले दौला माता जी से और वाराई माता जी से बहुत बड़ी प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं।
भले ही वो यहाँ पे रहती नहीं, लेकिन कनेक्शन कितना आप लोगों का मजबूत है?
कनेक्शन गांव में सब अच्छा है और सबसे अच्छा कार्य कर गया। और सुनीता बेन ने जो पहली बार आई तभी भी सागा वाले ने बहुत स्वागत किया था, और दूसरी बार 2012 में आई तभी भी स्वागत किया था। और गांव में माहौल अच्छा है और भगवान की दया से कार्य करती रहे।
वो गांव में आती हैं तो यहाँ के बच्चे उनसे मिलते हैं, उनको देखते हैं, उनके जैसा बनने की कोशिश करते हैं, क्या लगता है?
हाँ, बच्चे भी बहुत उत्साहित हो जाते हैं कि हम भी ऐसे बने। और वो तो हमारे गांव का एक अनमोल रत्न है, हमारा गांव का नाम बड़ा रोशन किया है पूरा विश्व में, तो हमको आनंद तो होगा न। और वो हमारी कौटुंबिक बहन भी है, इससे हमको तो विशेष आनंद है।